Welcome to another session of Quantitative Aptitude for Competitive Examinations. In this, we shall be considering certain typical problems related to factors, multitudes, reciprocals, and very fundamental concepts of numbers. So essentially, these questions could also be in numerical aptitude. The first question: find the greatest number that will divide 43, 91, 183 so as to leave the same remainder in each case. When a question like this comes, divisor divides a number. So this is always smaller, that is a factor, and this, if there's no remainder, this would be a multiple. Right? So the divisor is always a factor and the number is always a multiple if there is no remainder. And if there is a remainder, the number minus remainder would be the multiple and divisor would be the factor. So the number which will divide, कौन नंबर डिवाइड करता है? ये नंबर डिवाइड करता है, यानी छोटा फैक्टर. छोटा नंबर जो फैक्टर है उसे निकालना है. Now the relation क्या है? What is the relation? When you divide a number, this multiplied by this plus this remainder should be equal to this number. Divisor multiplied by जो भी quotient, then add the remainder, it should be equal to the number. So first number is 43. 43 is here. And let us say D is a divisor. So it is some multiple of D plus R remainder. Second number 91, it is again some multiple of D. The divisor is same. Divisor वही है, पुराना है. Plus R, क्योंकि same remainder. 183, ये भी है multiple of same divisor plus R, same remainder. तो same remainder. So when you subtract, क्या होगा? Remainder and remainder will cancel. When you are subtracting, remainder and remainder will cancel. When you subtract any two, remainder will cancel. So 91 minus 43, yani 48. 183 minus 91, that is 92. And 183 minus 43, and 140. These are exact multiples. These are exact multiples of D, or D is a factor, common factor of all these. D is a common factor of all these numbers. Your remainder to cut gaya. When you subtracted this remainder and this remainder cut gaya. When you subtracted this remainder or this remainder cut gaya. So after subtracting, remainder is 0. Remainder 0 का मतलब the number is a multiple and D जो है, D is a divisor. Now you want the greatest number, यानी greatest divisor. The greatest common divisor or H.C.F. क्या है? 48, 92, 140. The H.C.F. is 4. So 4 is the answer we need. Okay. Now next. The H.C.F. of two numbers is 23 and the other two factors of the L.C.M. are 11 and 13. Find the larger of the two numbers. So when you are finding 23 is a common factor. 23 दोनों number में है. And one number you are getting 11 and one number you are getting is 13. 23 तो है because 23 is a common factor. H.C.F. is a common factor. And 23 into 13. And 11 and 13 are prime numbers. So इसमें तो और कोई फैक्टर नहीं आएगा. So 23 H.C.F. और एक में 11 और एक में 13. So bigger number कौन सा होगा? Bigger number will be into 13. That is 299. A smaller number will be 23 into 11, but we don't need. हमको क्या चाहिए? Larger number. So ये smaller number into 11, larger number into 13, that is 299. 6 bells commence tolling together and toll at intervals of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 seconds. In 30 minutes, how many times do they toll together? So पहले से LCM निकालना है. अब इतना नंबर का LCM निकालना we don't need. जो छोटा नंबर है एंड यू गॉट द मल्टीपल, उसको कैंसिल कर दो. 2 कैंसिल कर दो क्योंकि 4 है. 4 कैंसिल कर लो, 4 का बड़ा 8 है. 6 कैंसिल कर दो क्योंकि 6 का बड़ा 12 है. सो ओनली यू नीड 8, 10, 12 एंड द LCM इज 120. अगर पूरा भी निकालो, इफ यू टेक द LCM ऑफ ऑल द नंबर्स, द सेम आंसर यू विल गेट. लेकिन क्या किया, जो फैक्टर्स छोटे नंबर को कैंसिल कर दिया, सो यू गॉट इट ईजियर. आंसर तो वही है, द सेम आंसर विल कम, बट बिकॉज यू कैंसिल द स्मॉलर नंबर्स, नाउ खाली 3 नंबर का निकालना है, काम आसान हो गया. आंसर वही रहेगा. पूरा निकालो देन ऑल्सो इट इज 120, और 8, 10, 12 का निकालो देन ऑल्सो इट इज 120. 120 सेकेंड इज इक्वल टू 2 मिनट्स. हमारे घड़ी में, किसी किसी के घड़ी में जो पार्लियामेंट में जोकर होते हैं ना, वे 2 मिनट कहकर 35 सेकंड में बैठ जाते हैं. तो फॉर देम 2 मिनट्स इज 35 सेकंड, बट फॉर अस 120 सेकंड मेक्स 2 मिनट्स. So every 2 minutes they will toll together. Every 120 seconds. This is second. This is second because all these are seconds. So 120 seconds are 2 minutes. So 2 minutes में एक बार, तो 30 minutes में 15 बार, 15 times. In 2 minutes they toll together once. So in 30 minutes they will toll 15 times. Let n be the greatest number that will divide 1305, 4665 and 6905, leaving the same remainder. वही पुराना वाला. When you subtract, remainder will cancel. इसमें भी वही रिमाइंडर है, इसमें भी वही रिमाइंडर है. When you subtract, what will happen? इसका रिमाइंडर cancel. So we take the difference. Each number is some multiple of n plus the same remainder. So number से minus कर दो, the remainder will cancel and you will get only multiples. So ये जो 3 number है, found by subtracting, minus करके, these are exact multiples. और ये देख के पता चलता है 1120 into 3, 1120 into 2, 1120 into 5. यानी कॉमन क्या है? 1120. अब 1120 नहीं निकालना है, सी सम ऑफ द डिजिट्स निकालना है. सो सम ऑफ द डिजिट्स कितना है? 1120. व्हाट इज द सम ऑफ द डिजिट्स? 1 + 1 + 2 + 0. नंबर तो नहीं पूछा है, they have asked you the sum of the digits. So sum of the digits 1 + 1 + 2 + 0 is 4. 3 numbers are in the ratio of 3:4:5. If the LCM is 2400, what is their HCF? Now, whenever the numbers are in the ratio 3:4:5, क्या होता है? 3y, 4y, 5y, या 3x, 4x, 5x, या 3k, 4k, 5k, where y is the HCF. क्योंकि 3, 4, 5 में और कुछ जाएगा नहीं, so y is HCF. So LCM क्या होगा? Y will be common. So you will get 3 into 4 into 5 into y. Y is a common. Y is common. So you'll get only 3, 4, 5. And ये तो किसी से जाएगा नहीं. There is no common factor. So you just multiply to get the LCM. So 3 into 4, 12. 12 into 5, 60. So you get 60y is the LCM. And what is LCM given? 2400. So 60y is 2400. So y is 40. And y क्या था? Y was the HCF. Because 3y, 4y, 5y, the HCF is y. Y को छोड़ के तो और कुछ जाएगा नहीं. So HCF is y or 40. Y is 40 and HCF is also 40 because y is the HCF. The product of two numbers is 2028 and the HCF is 13. The number of such pairs, how many pairs of numbers will be there? So अगर HCF 13 है तो 13x and 13y. And x and y have no common factor. अगर common factor 2 होता तो क्या होता? तो 13 into 2 26 और 13 into 2 26 हो जाता. If 3 is a common factor तो क्या होता? 13 into 3 39 हो जाता. But since 13 है, so x and y have no common factor. Up 13x into 13y is 2028 because product of two numbers is 2028. So 13x is the first number, 13y is the second number, multiply करने से 2028. So we get 169xy. So xy will be divided by 169 12. अब 12 का कैसे फैक्टर करें? 1 into 12, 3 into 4, 2 into 6 भी होगा, लेकिन 2 into 6 is rejected क्योंकि इसमें 2 common factor है. And we already said that x and y have no common factor. We said that x and y have no common factor. So 2 and 6 make 2 is a common factor. So you ignore that. 1, 12 and 3, 4. That means the numbers are 13 into 1 and 13 into 12 or 13 into 3 and 13 into 4. That means you are getting two such pairs. You are getting actually two such pairs. One is 13 into 1 and 13 into 12. And the second pair, 13 into 3 and 13 into 4. So how many such pairs are there? There are two such pairs. 2 and 6 are rejected. They are not co-prime. The least number, which when divided by 5, 6, 7, 8, leaves a remainder 3, but when divided by 9, leaves no remainder. Now, ये तो हो सकता है. You find the LCM and add 3. Any multiple of 840, you add 3, but divisible by 9. So इसका एक ही मिलेगा option. But in this case, it is easier. सबको add करते हैं. 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 7, 21. Not divisible by 9. यहाँ बोला है ना, it leaves no remainder when divided by 9. ये तो 9 से जाएगा नहीं. 1 plus 6, 7, 7, 8, 15, 15 plus 3, 18, ये जाएगा. 2 plus 5, 7 and 2, 9 plus 3, 12, ये भी 9 से नहीं जाएगा. It's not divisible by 9. 3, 3, 6, 6, 6, 12, 3, 15. This is also not divisible by 9. So just by adding all the digits, the only number which is divisible by 9 is 1683, the only possible answer. Because all the other numbers, they are divisible by 3, but they are not divisible by 9. So the only number which is divisible by 9, कैसे निकालते हैं? Adding the digits, 1 plus 6 plus 8 plus 3, 18. The only this is divisible by 9. यहाँ तो 21 आएगा, यहाँ तो 5 to 12 आएगा. So these are not divisible. The only number which is divisible is 1683. So that is the answer. Three mutually co-prime numbers are such that the product of the first two is 551 and that of the last two is 1073. The sum of the three numbers is co-prime, means they will have no common factor. Like 14 and 15. 14 is not a prime number. 14 is not a prime number. 14 का तो होता है 2 into 7. 15 is also not a prime number. 15 means 3 into 5. But 14 and 15 are co-prime. 14 or 15, they have no common factor. 14 and 15 are co-prime. 14 is not a prime number. 15 is not a prime number. लेकिन 14 और 15 co-prime है क्योंकि कोई common factor नहीं है. कोई factor common नहीं है. So first number A, second number B, third number C. So first two numbers, the product of first two numbers, yani A into B, 551, and the last two numbers, that is B into C. अब B दोनों में है, इसमें भी B है, इसमें भी है B है. A into B, B into C. So B is present in both. Now since they are co-prime, there is no common factor. So the only common factor will be the HCF. So HCF निकालते हैं. HCF we are getting 29. 29 is the HCF we are getting. So when 29 is the HCF, then so B is 29. Middle number जो दोनों में है, A B में भी है, B C, the common factor B B, the common one is 29. B equal to 29. So AB is 551, B is 29. So 551 divided by 29, A का value, B is 29, and BC is 1073. So again divide by 29, ये C का value. So A, B, C मिल गया. What is the sum of the three numbers? A plus B plus C. 19 plus 29 plus 37. 85 is the answer. 85 is the sum of the three numbers. The three numbers are 19, 29 and 37, and the sum is 85. Next, if a number n is divided by 8, it leaves a remainder 5. What will be the remainder if 2n is divided by 8? 2n का मतलब twice the number. If n अगर 20 है तो आप 40, अगर n 40 है तो आप 80, n is 100 then it will be 200. If n is 1000 then it will be 2000. So n is doubled to form 2n. Now when n is divided by 8, you will get some quotient and remainder is 5. Remainder is 5. When n is doubled, n को 2 से multiply करते हैं 2n, what happens? The quotient is also doubled and the remainder is also doubled. Quotient will be doubled, 2q, and remainder will be doubled, 5 into 2, 10. But the problem is, remainder cannot be greater than divisor. Divisor 8. So the maximum remainder 7. If the divisor is 8, what are the remainders? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 नहीं होगा, 9 नहीं होगा, 10 नहीं होगा. So what do? You continue the division. You continue the division. Division खत्म नहीं हुआ. 10 है और जाएगा. It will go more number of times. How many more number of times? It will go one more time. One more time. 8 into 1 is 8 and the remainder is 2. So 2 is the final remainder. What we do is continue the division. Since we are getting a remainder bigger than the divisor, continue the division. और जाएगा 2q, whatever it might be, और जाएगा one more time. One more time. So 8, one more time 8 and remainder 2. And if you are asked the quotient, compared to the old quotient क्या हुआ? Double the old quotient plus 1. Old quotient is q, so it is 2q plus 1. If they ask you, but ये तो पूछा नहीं है. If they ask you, the old quotient is q, the new quotient will be 2q plus 1. And the new remainder is 2. What you did? The remainder you got 10. Continue the division. 8 ones are 8, remainder 2. Continue the division. And why we are continuing? Because remainder cannot be larger than the divisor. Remainder कभी भी divisor से बड़ा नहीं होगा. So continue the division. That's all. A and B are two natural numbers. Natural numbers. Negative नहीं है, fraction नहीं है. Natural numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Such that the sum of A and its reciprocal is 4.25, while the sum of B and its reciprocal is 5.2. Find the difference. Now, if we do by the normal method, x plus 1 by x, then you will get x square, quadratic equation. So the easy method is a plus 1 by a and the reciprocal is 1 by a. Similarly, b and the reciprocal is 1 by b. So 4.25 means 4 1 by 4. That means 4 plus 1 by 4. 4 का reciprocal है 1 by 4 and A का reciprocal 1 by A. So you got that A equal to 4 and 1 by A equal to 1 by 4. Similarly, B plus 1 by B is 5.2. That means 5 2 by 10. That means 5 1 by 5. 5 1 by 5 means 5 plus 1 by 5. So again you got B equal to 5 and 1 by B is 1 by 5. So A is 4 and B is 5. So the difference is 1. The difference is 1. A is 4 because A plus 1 by A is 4 plus 1 by 4. B is 5 because B plus 1 by B is 5 plus 1 by 5. So the difference is 1, 4 and 5. Thank you. That was all for the quantitative aptitude. We will be coming up with more such interesting videos. We hope you have enjoyed it. Stay with us. Subscribe to our channel. Share it as much as you can and prepare for your competitive examination. Wish you all the best of luck.